Hi everyone, it's Maddie with Corey's Construction, and today I'm going to give you a thorough walkthrough of our home base model. This is the Easy Street with 3 beds, 2 baths, and 1,965 square feet. We are currently standing in the living room. This is the first room that you walk into when you enter this home. The first thing that you might notice is our electric fireplace package back here. This is a remote controlled unit, so you have the ability to change the color of the flames, the intensity, temperature, all of that. You will notice that it does bump the wall slightly out, so that is something to be aware of. But we also do have an outlet and connection for a television if you'd like one. Another thing that's important to note is our standard ceiling height is displayed throughout this home, which is 8 feet. So that's what you're going to see included in all of the base pricing for all of our models. 8 feet is what you're looking at. We can also go all the way up to 9 feet, or we could do 8.5. There's some variety there. Another thing that I'd like to just get out of the way early is our standard flooring. So throughout all of the main living areas, so you have hallways, living room, dining room, and kitchen, you have LVP or luxury vinyl plank flooring. In this home, throughout the main living areas, we have natural hickory as our selection. I've now flipped the camera around. I'd like to show you the coat closet very quickly. This is just next to the front door, and you have all of this space here to put any of your shoes, your coats, vacuums, or anything else that you might like to have stored away without cluttering up your living space. All right next to the living room, we have our kitchen. This kitchen is designed to highlight a lot of standard features as well as plenty of upgrades. Throughout this kitchen, we have 3 upgrade packages, which consist of our island package, our kitchen cabinet package B, and our quartz countertop package. The first thing I want to highlight here is the island upgrade package. So the island upgrade package comes complete with a signature series cabinet color. It also lengthens the island. That gives you room for pots and pans drawers. And we also include beadboard paneling underneath the overhang. That beadboard paneling is not included on this particular island. And the other thing you'll notice is that this is a laminate countertop. So this is the standard countertop that comes in all of our homes. Here is another angle of the island here. Now this laminate is Italian white di pesco, and then the color choice for the cabinetry down here is indigo blue. So this again is a signature series color. So this is not one of your standard options for the rest of your cabinetries and vanities, which makes it stand out that much more. The next package is the kitchen cabinet package. So this will give you access to several things. The first being potential for upgraded cabinet hardware. Then you'll have staggered wall cabinets. You have a trash can cabinet. You have a 24-inch deep fridge cabinet, and then you have a fridge end panel. So this is a great package if you're someone who would like a little bit more storage. You'd like to hide your trash can away. You don't want to worry about having a standalone trash can. And then you'd like more depth above your fridge. Taking a closer look at our kitchen cabinetry here, this is the color Snowbound. This has been a very popular color choice for 2025. And the greatest feature of these cabinets is that everything is soft close. So there is no loud banging. There is much more ease on the joints and on the touch points of these doors and drawers so that your home can last a lifetime. Last but not least, you have the quartz countertop upgrade package, which will include your quartz countertop, your matching backsplash, and an undermount sink. Here in this kitchen, this is Italian Waves quartz. Right now, I am standing in the pantry. So this is your wire shelving. You get 3 of them. This is just a great space for all of your food or your cleaning supplies or whatever else you would like to store away. It's just off the kitchen, and most of our floor plans that are 1,500 square feet and up will automatically include a pantry of roughly this size. Just off of the kitchen, we are now in the dining room. This is roughly a 12 by 14 foot space. This home is built on a crawl space, but that door would be the location of the stairs to your basement. Now, it's important to note that a basement is standard and included in all of the pricing that we provide you. If you do not want a basement, we can give you a credit and build on a crawl space. However, we encourage, and most of our clients do end up building on a unfinished 9-foot basement. All right, I have spun the camera around. We are now in our sunroom. So this is added onto the base of the floor plan. We offer this in a variety of sizes. This particular sunroom is 15 by 15 feet. And you'll also notice that we have a vaulted ceiling. This is an upgrade, so the standard sunroom is gonna come with a typical flat ceiling. I did also want to note that the LVP in this room, we chose to make a different color just for added variety so clients could see some more choices. This is our Tudor oak flooring. So this is one of our darker options if you're someone who loves a rich dark flooring. We are now in the main bath of the home. So it's got laminate countertop, and then we have our standard shower insert. So this is a 60-inch fiberglass shower tub insert here. And we also have our standard toilet. So this is a great depiction of what you could expect your home to look like if you made zero upgrade at all. A couple of quick selection mentions here. We have our vanity in praline. One thing to know is that whatever selection you choose for the base for your vanity, your mirror will match that. So if you chose a white vanity, you'll have a white mirror. If you chose black, you'll have black, and so on and so forth. And then the laminate counter selection here is Typhoon Ice, and our faucet is standard bronze. We are now across the hall from the main bath in bedroom number 2, and there are a few upgrades here. So this is a roughly 10-foot by 10-foot bedroom. We have in all of the bedrooms across this floor plan upgraded carpet, and it is in the color Oxford. The other upgrade in this room is the trim. So this is our bungalow trim package. This is a very, very popular selection choice across clients. It's a super easy way to elevate a home for minimal cost. Just next to that last bedroom, we now have bedroom number 3. So this space, with the exception of your upgraded carpet still in the color Oxford, this is a very standard room. So this is what our standard trim looks like. This is the trim that's throughout the rest of the home. So this is a good sense of what your average bedroom will look like in a lot of our ranchers. I do want to be able to show you the closet in this bedroom as well. So this is a 2-door closet that opens up. So this is what your standard bedroom closet would look like. This, real quick, is the mudroom area of this home. And I did just want to highlight this linen closet that you'll get. So this is right off of the side entry. So you have all of this space for linens or cleaning supplies or whatever else you might like to use it for. This is now the utility room. In this space, we do have another upgrade package, which gives you access to your utility sink. We have some cabinets over where your washer dryer units would be. And you also get this accent window behind me. So that really brightens up the room, and it gives you all the storage space that you need for your bleaches, your detergents, dryer sheets, anything else you might need to use. You also have a basic wire shelving on this side, so even more storage for your needs. We are now on the opposite side of the house, where I can show you, last but not least, our master suite. So this is a roughly 12 by 14 foot room, and we still have that upgraded carpet in this space, except now it is Daytona sand. And the other upgrade here is our Craftsman trim package. So this is an even higher tier than bungalow. We are now in the master bath, and the first upgrade package I'm going to highlight is our master bath upgrade package. So that will give you quartz countertops, You'll get undermount sinks with that, and you'll have upgraded fixtures. So you'll have 2 fixtures here for your faucets, and then you'll also have a shower faucet upgrade. You'll then also get this vanity tower, which is very, very nice. And you'll get a comfort height toilet, an accent window above the toilet, and you'll get LVT, which is our elevated flooring for bathrooms. So it's very similar to LVP, but instead of a plank, it mimics a tile. The standard flooring in bathrooms is our rolled vinyl, so that is something to note. Another thing I do want to say, in this bathroom, this is ceramic tile flooring. We do not offer this any longer. And another round of the selection mentions. So we have our vanity in Snowbound, which you will recognize from the kitchen. And then we have Rose Bay quartz countertops and our standard brushed nickel for our faucets. Another package that I want to highlight here is our tiled shower package. So instead of that fiberglass insert, you would now have ceramic tile for the walls. You're still gonna have a fiberglass base or bottom, and then you'll have an upgraded glass sliding door, which is very, very nice. The selection choice that you're seeing here is Renoir Gray, so that is the tile and grout combo. And then we have standard brushed nickel for the fixtures. I have just turned the camera 90 degrees and we are now in the walk-in closet. This is probably one of the biggest wow features of the floor plans. People love having these big closets. You'll see here, you've still got that standard wire shelving all throughout. Another feature is we typically will put your attic access through this walk-in closet. So that's right above me here. That can be moved pretty much wherever in the house. So that's adjustable, but we most often see it being placed in this particular space. The last package I'd like to highlight is the porch package. This is a 24 by 6 foot gable porch, and the package includes accent siding under the porch or gable, a junction box for a ceiling fan, and 6-inch white square porch posts. Thank you for watching this tour, and be sure to check out the rest of our channel.